just like that. Deep breath in here, all the way out, let it go, just like that, okay? So ribs right there, back in place. Does that feel like if you take a deep breath in, did that calm the problem down?
A little bit.
Okay.
It's a little different for sure.
There's still a little bit of tension though?
Yeah.
So most likely the muscle part. So when we fix a rib, we gotta fix the bone part of it, bone and joint, but also the muscle part of it too, to get it to go away officially, okay?